Hello there and welcome to my channel. I just want to say happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Guylene, happy birthday to you. Yeah, I know. I'll keep my day job. Maybe I'll just stick to doing manis. Okay, my mani is coming up. And this is for Guylene. Guylene, all for you, girl. Love you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Gigi here. Today, I'm going to be recreating a mani for Guylene 325. It's her birthday. And of course, I did not have the exact same polishes that she had, but I came pretty close. Guylene and I both have a love for thermals, and oh yeah, you can see right here. This Dawn Diva Holy Schitznecks is just an amazing color. I'll have videos at the end. Videos, good Lord. I'll have photos at the end so you can see the transition on this. It's absolutely amazing. So let's review the items that I used. I used Born Pretty Floral BPX-L017, Dawn Diva, Holy Schitznecks, Hit the Bottle, Champagne Shifter, Orly Bonder, which allows those pesky little designs to stick on your nails easier, and I topped everything off with Glisten and Glow Quick Dry Top Coat. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Gigi here. Today I'm going to be recreating a mani for Guylene 325. It's her birthday. And of course, I did not have the exact same polishes that she had, but I came pretty close. Guylene and I both have a love for thermals. And oh yeah, you can see right here. This Dawn Diva Holy Schitznecks is just an amazing color. I'll have videos at the end. Videos, good Lord. I'll have photos at the end so you can see the transition on this. It's absolutely amazing. Amazing. So I did not have the same Hit the Bottle she had either. So I'm going to go ahead and use this champagne here. I think it's pretty. Okay, so let's get started on this. I have put my little cloth down, well, paper cloth of course, and the first thing I'm going to be doing off of this floral BPX L017 plate is this right here. I'm going to put that on my thumb. I need to make sure that I put enough polish on here. I know sometimes I think it's too much, but I would really rather have too much than not enough, because you know, you scrape it and you miss a part of the design, and there it goes right out the window. So quick scrape, quick pick up. Looks pretty good if you can see it through the glare. But I'm going to go ahead and stick this on my thumb. I'm going to do a little bit of an angle here. Let's see, right there, I believe. This thumbnail is a little bit longer than the color, and look, it's not wanting to stick. All right, well, I got it to stick. Good enough. So pretty, just so pretty. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of speed to this, and then I will be back. I believe there are going to be, I will have photos in here that the other ladies have done. I don't know that all of them have actually done videos, but if not, maybe I can find where they are on Instagram and leave their links below. All right, I will be back in just a moment. Okay, well, I decided to put Orly Bonder on these nails, and it's dry enough, so I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, they're quite dry. So I'm going to go ahead and now speed this up. Okay, so let's get started here. Here is my mani all completed, all cleaned up and top coated. I love the way this design came out. You guys get a chance, hop over to Guylene's channel and give her a follow and subscribe. She has some beautiful, beautiful designs. This polish is amazing. All these transitions are just, they're gorgeous. I don't know what else to say about them. If you have made it this far, thank you so very much. If you enjoyed this video and could drop a like, I would appreciate that. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, be kind and be creative.